Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Today I'm going to be showing you a super easy and a super delicious recipe of an American chocolate pound cake. It's a recipe that I learned in the US and I have been using it since. This cake is super moist and it can be used not just as a tea cake, but you can also ice in between and use it for building your structural cakes or your tiered cakes. It's very easy to make and very simple, but I'm sure once you taste this, you will never use another chocolate recipe. Let's get started. For the very delicious American butter cake, I'm going to be using cocoa powder, boiling hot water, eggs, vanilla essence, flour, baking powder, sugar and butter. Now this butter, I will be melting it and then using it. First, I will take the baking powder, add it to the flour, and I will just mix this around so that the baking powder is fully mixed with the flour. Okay, now once this is done, I will keep this aside and I will take the boiling hot water in a bowl. To this, I will add the cocoa powder. Once I have added the cocoa powder, I will take a whisk and mix it around so that there are no lumps in this and the cocoa is fully incorporated along with the water. So as you can see, the cocoa powder is fully incorporated. To this, I will add the 3 eggs, the sugar and the vanilla essence, and I will again beat this till the sugar has dissolved. Now as you can see, this is all incorporated well. I will put in the flour which I had sieved with the baking powder earlier. I have melted the butter. I will be putting that in also. You might feel that the batter is very thin, but you need not worry. This cake will come out really scrumptious, nice and gooey because of all the liquid that's there inside. So using a whisk, I'm just blending it inside till the butter, flour have all incorporated well and we have a nice smooth batter. We do not need to overbeat this because then the gluten will form in the flour and the cake will be a little more harder. So we want a nice soft sponge. So I'm using the whisk just to get rid of the lumps. In case if you don't want to use the whisk, if you're not confident when you have to stop, you can always use a spatula for this. As you can see, the batter is smooth now. It is well mixed. I will take a 8-inch round tin which I have greased and lined with butter paper. I will take this batter and pour it into this tin, and it will go into a hot oven at 180 degrees preheated oven, and this will cook for about 30-35 minutes or till you insert a toothpick in the center and it comes out clean. Our American butter cake, chocolate butter cake is ready. It's excellent, and as you can see, it is soft, it is dense, it is absolutely divine. I'm cutting a piece just to show you how it looks from inside. It's an excellent chocolate tea cake that you can make. As you can see, it's amazing.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज़।